In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Minitab to find a confidence interval for a mean. So we're going to work with this homework problem as an example. It says a poll was conducted that asked 1,014 people how many books they had read in the past year. Results indicated that the sample mean was 10.7 books and S equals 16.6 books. Construct a 90% confidence interval for the mean number of books people read. So the way that you're going to do this in Minitab, we're going to a different place here. One way that you can do it is by clicking on this one sample button. And if I click on that, I see the options for T and Z. So remember we talked about previously that you need to choose T and Z based on the standard deviation. If it's a sample standard deviation or S that you're given, then you choose T. If it's a population standard deviation or sigma that you're given, then you would choose Z. I can also get to this menu by clicking on statistics at the top, and that's going to open up this menu. Probability distributions is what we've been doing, but now we're going to go to this one sample inference box, and then over here I see the options for T and Z as well. So in this problem, I'm given S equals 16.6 books. That tells me that's a sample standard deviation, and so I'm going to use T. So I click on that. Now the first thing that I need to do is change this drop-down box from sample data in a column to summarized data. Sample data in a column would be what we would use if we had data entered in the spreadsheet part of Minitab. We have summarized data because we're entering the summary statistics, the mean and the standard deviation. So click on summarized data. Sample size here is 1,014. My sample mean is 10.7, that's X bar, and sample standard deviation is 16.6. And then I need to go to options. Leave this alternative hypothesis as it is, but I'm going to change my confidence level if I need to. So in this problem, they are asking me for a 90% confidence interval. So I'm going to change this from 95 to 90. Notice the options are 90, 95, and 99. Then I click on OK, and it brings up this answer box. So the confidence interval is going to be over here on the right, 9.8418, 11.5582. So all I need to do is enter those in the boxes here. First one in the first box, second one in the second box. Use ascending order means that you put the smaller one first, which is how Minitab is always going to give it to you. And it says to round to 2 decimal places as needed. So that would be 9.84 and 11.56. And that's my answer.